everyone, welcome back to the Tune Project. Today I'll be teaching you how to play the tune Cuckoo's Nest on the violin, so stay tuned. If you end up enjoying this video and finding it to be helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up below, and if you're not yet subscribed to the Tune Project, I post videos just like this one each and every week, so consider hitting that red subscribe button below along with the notification bell so that you never miss when I post a new video. As always, the timestamps are listed in the description box below if you'd like to skip around, and you can always adjust the speed in your video settings. If you're interested in diving a little bit deeper into this tune and adding some ornaments like I did in the very beginning clip of this video, then you might want to check out the extended version of this tutorial, which is on Patreon, and the link for that is in the description box below. Now grab your fiddle and let's get into it. So for this tune, we're in the key of D major, simple 4/4 time, and the first phrase goes like this. So we had some alternating between the D and A strings there, as well as a little descending scale at the end. For the next phrase, we stay on the D string and we begin on our first finger E. So in that phrase, we temporarily shifted keys. So we went from C sharps and F sharps to C naturals and F naturals. So just lower those fingers. And now we're back to D major with the sharps, and we're gonna start on our first finger E on the D string. Okay, so we had a pretty big jump there from the F sharp on the D string to our G on the E string. So make sure to coordinate that if you need to. Take a little bit of extra time there. And here is our last phrase of the A part. So the form of this tune, as you might expect, is A, A, B, B. So now that we've gotten through the whole A part, let's go ahead and play it together at a slow tempo. 1, 2, 3. Now, getting into this B section, we have a few pickup notes beginning on open A. We ended on open A as well, and you may have noticed we had a very clear descending scale, and I also used my fourth finger for that E just because it makes things a little bit easier in terms of keeping the bow in the same place. The next phrase, we have a C natural again, so low second finger on the A string for this one. And then the last two phrases of this B section are exactly the same as the last two phrases of the A section. So good news there, no new material for the rest of this tune, but we will go ahead and review these sections just so that you have a better idea of these notes and rhythms. So again, we had that jump to the E string there for that G note, and our last phrase goes like this. Well, congratulations for learning all of Cuckoo's Nest. Now that we've made it to the end of the tune, let's go back and play this B section together at a slow tempo. 1, 2, 3. And there you have it. That is all of Cuckoo's Nest. Congratulations for making it all the way to the end of this tune. I hope you enjoyed learning that one. If you would like to take a look at the sheet music for this one, it is available in my digital sheet music library. The link for that is in the description box below. And also you can find the sheet music for all of my other fiddle tutorials here on the Tune project there as well. And as I mentioned in the beginning of this video, if you would like to add a little bit more to this tune and incorporate some ornaments and double stops and things of that nature, then definitely head over to Patreon for my extended version of this tutorial where I show you just how to do that. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Happy practicing!